Looking for efficient and stable automated packaging lines? As a professional sourcing equipment manufacturer, we provide comprehensive and reliable packaging solutions for the tea, food, daily chemicals, and pet industries. For the fast-growing pet food market, especially the popular cat treats, our full-function bag-making machine is the ideal choice for precise filling and tight sealing. For large bag pet food or snacks, the Rotary sealing and packaging machine and fully automatic Gusseted bag packaging machine efficiently meet high-volume, standardized production needs. For the precise needs of large tea and coffee factories, we feature the Pyramid Teabag packaging machine and the Drip Bag with Over-Wrap packaging machine. They operate smoothly and maximize the retention of original beverage aromas. In addition, our fully automatic canned and bottled products packaging line, combined with the intelligent film sealing machine, can stably adapt to various conventional foods and daily chemicals. Contact us anytime or send materials for a factory machine test.